Planning Commission of the City of Newcastle for Wednesday, October 6, 2021 will now begin. Roll call, Mr. Morgans. Here. Albert Conti. Here. Heather Armstrong. Here. Jeffrey Fantastic is here. Pledge allegiance. Stand and face the flag. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty, and justice for all.
Okay, we'll move right into the appeals. New appeal 2021-12, land development plan of Donald Peluso for construction of a barber shop at 218 East Long Avenue, located in the C1 General Business District of the 8th Ward. Please step forward.
Yes, I'm going to abstain from voting because I'm the contractor record, but I'm going to go speak with Ricky on behalf of the owners.
Okay, thank you. Yep. Please state your name and address in the microphone.
Albert Contact, 1212 Butler Avenue, Newcastle, PA.
Ricky Rylock, 135 Blackstone Drive, Newcastle, PA, 16105.
Go ahead and begin.
So, Don Peluso, who previously had a barber shop down on Long Avenue for many years, his barber shop burned down. He owned a lot, I can't remember, maybe 10 years on the corner of Pennsylvania Avenue and Long Avenue. So what we're going to do is we're going to construct a brand new barbershop program. It'll be a 1,200 square foot split face block building with conventional hip roof, metal roofing. The whole front of the lot's going to be blacktop. The whole rear of the lot's going to stay gravel. There's just simply not a lot to talk about here. It has one restroom, 2 barber chairs. There'll be a demising wall, if you will, down the middle. The back half's going to be straw storage, and the front half will be barber shop facing Long Avenue. Ricky can speak if you guys have any civil questions.
Just to add, zoning-wise, we provided 4 spaces. We have a green space up front along the sidewalk along East Long Avenue to help reduce impervious surfaces. The site, as it was partially CBS concrete when they unloaded their trucks and such. It was almost all covered, other than the rear part was gravel already. So we are actually reducing impervious surfaces. Again, it's an improvement to the site, to the area, and we do comply with all zoning requirements with setbacks, parking, and so on.
So how many parking spaces? 4?
4, correct.
Okay.
So what's the front? What kind of brick?
The front part is going to be asphalt.
No, but the building.
Split face, which is the irregular looking. It's not like industrial, institutional looking. It's more of a decorative, aesthetically pleasing type. Yes. And a metal roof and conventional construction from there.
Any other questions? Is there anybody else who'd like to speak on this applicant? Let the record reflect there is none. We are ready for a motion.
My motion.
Motion to be approved by development 21-12.
Seconded.
Second.
Let the record reflect it was approval. Motion for approval by William Morgan, seconded by Heather Armstrong. A yes vote will be for approval, no for denial. Mr. Morgan.
Yes.
Mrs. Armstrong.
Yes.
Ms. Armstrong. Jeff Iandozzi's a yes. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
You can start next year. All right. Moving on to 2021-13, land development plan of Bannon Inc., DB8 Bannon Mark for a gasoline service station to continue the current use of gasoline service station and small convenience store at 509 Highland Avenue in the C1 General Business District of the 2nd Ward. Please state your name and address in the microphone.
Hi, my name is Mark Taylor with RAR Engineering here in Newcastle, and I am representing Bannon Inc. For this process. Do y'all have a map that shows everything, or do you need one?
First page is a fold out.
Okay, as you can see, what we're proposing to install is an irregular shaped 1,200 plus square foot building in lieu of the 3 structures that were previously on site. Three existing structures have been demoed to this point. All three of them were encroaching into the setbacks that were established for this zoning district. We received zoning hearing board approval along with the planning commission approval for the conditional use as well as approval through city council last year at this time. I believe it was in November. We are here petitioning for approval for the land development application. The council attached some conditions to it, which are minor in nature. Mainly, we're just cleaning the site up, putting one single building in, split face block, which is the block du jour, I guess. So, not much to it. Again, it's just, they're gonna sell gas, they're gonna have a small little convenience store there, and that's about it. Y'all have any questions?
They're not changing the gas pumps or anything.
No, the only thing that's changing is the structure itself and the actual location. The pumps are gonna remain intact. No other improvements are anticipated other than site, other than complying with the conditions attached to the approval from last year.
Any other questions?
They're gonna build next door, or something, tear that one out after.
Our build, it's gone.
It's gone.
They demoed out the existing.
Okay.
It's actually been shut down for about 3 months now.
Oh,
These, I live right around the corner. It's been shut down for almost 6 months, actually.
Oh, has it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've been retired since June. I haven't followed the local.
I drive by it every day. Keep wondering when they're gonna start.
Any other questions?
no.
Anybody else like to speak on this applicant? Let the record reflect there is no one. We are ready for a motion.
Make a motion to approve.
Second?
Motion was made by Albert Conti for approval, seconded by William Morgan. The yes vote will be for approval and no vote for denial. Albert Conti.
Yes.
Heather Armstrong.
Yes.
Jeff Mendoza, yes. William Morgan.
Yes.
4-0 vote for.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Have a good evening.
You too, my friend. Anything else on the table? All in favor of adjournment? Aye.
Aye.
Meeting is adjourned. Thank you.
Good night, all.
Good night.
Mark.